Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Say I am fine, thank you. Very good. Now we had already learned which which letter is this? A for ant, A for aeroplane, A for apple. We had learned ना? टीचर ने आपको सिखाया था ना? And B for baby, B for boy, B for box, B for banana. This letter we had also learned. सिखाया था ना टीचर ने? B for ball सिखाया था ना? Okay. So after A for apple, B for ball, which letter comes after? C for cat or C for cow. Okay. So today we are going to learn letter C. Which letter we are going to learn? Letter C. Repeat after me. C. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. It is letter C. Now we are going to show. What is this? I am going to show you. C for can. What is this? C for can. C for what is this? Cow. Can you see now? C for cow. C for yummy. Yes. What is this? C for cake. Repeat after me. C for cake. C for yes. Cat. Cat says meow meow. What is this? Cat. C for cat. C for cap. What is this? C for cap. Okay. And this is C for cactus. What is this? C for cactus. So everyone repeat after me one more time. C for can. C for can. C for can. C for cake. C for cake. C for cake. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. C for cow. C for cow. C for cow. Very good. सब बहुत अच्छे से बोल रहे हैं. C for cap. C for cap. C for cap. C for cactus. C for cactus. C for cactus. Now do you know what is the sound of C? जैसे apple था ना? apple. B ball. टीचर ने सिखाया था ना? तो C का साउंड क्या होगा? You know? C cat. ओके. C का साउंड क्या होता है? क. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. C cat. C cat. C cat. So C can. C cake. C cat. C cow. C cap. And C cactus. Okay. So what is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? Now this is capital C. Now do you know how to write small c? Like this. It is small c. Capital C, small c. It is mother C and it is baby C. Okay. Now I am going to show you how to write letter C. What you have to do, first of all, you have to trace letter C like this. You already know. टीचर ने आपको क सिखाया था ना? ये वही. ओके. हाफ circle like this. You have to trace on the page like this for many times. Okay. So you can do properly in your book. C for cat. C for cat. Okay. Now do हैव दिस बुक ना, आपके पास ये बुक है ना, इसमें आपको पेज नंबर 14 एंड 15 में सी फॉर कैट लिखना है. So how to write red line to blue line, I am going to show you here. Okay, now start. Look at here, this is the dots. We have to join the dots slowly, and what you have to say, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Now we will repeat. We will join two dots. Okay, there are two dots here. Now we will make C, and what we will say, C for cow, C for cow, C for cow, C for cow. आपको हर लाइन में अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट्स बोलने हैं तो आपको लर्न हो जाएगी, वॉवेल्स आपकी वोकेबुलरी अच्छी हो जाएगी, है ना. नाउ C for can, 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 C for can. नेक्स्ट लाइन में आपको बुक में बोलना है C for cap, C for cap, C for cap, C for cap, ऐसा बोल के लिखना है. ठीक है, फिर C for cat, C for cat, ऐसे 5 वर्ड्स बोल के लिखना. ठीक है, तो आपको अच्छे से आ जाएगा. सो यू हैव डन दिस लेटर C for cat. Now you have this worksheet number 3. What you have to do, circle the picture that start with letter C. What is this? This is carrot. What is this? Carrot. C for carrot. So we have to circle this carrot like this. Can you see now? आपको दिख रहा है? Now what is this? C for cat. So we have to circle cat. What is this? Turtle. What is this? Turtle. T for turtle. It's not start with letter C, so we don't have to circle it. And now what is this? It's look like dog, right? So we don't have to circle this dog. Okay kids, now we will take one rectangle paper and आज हमने क्या सीखा था? C for cat सीखा ना, तो हम पेपर से कैट बनाना सीखेंगे. Okay, so everyone look at here very carefully. Fold this paper like this. Now we will cut extra part of the paper. Now I am going to fold this paper like this. Okay, now cut this extra part. Now stick this paper like this. Okay. Okay, now I will make its face, cat's face. For that we have to draw a circle. Now cut it. Okay, now I have already cut its ears like this in triangle shape, nose and eyes. So we will stick its ears here. आपको ऐसे कट करना है, ठीक है. and then cut another circle. Apply glue only side part. Okay. Like this, stick the paper. Now we will stick its eyes. Its nose. Okay. Now we will draw its look at here, cat का फेस बन गया. Now like this. Now we will make its hand and tail. Okay. For this we need paper and draw like this for hand. And we will stick this and here. Okay. Now we will make its tail. Cut it and stick it here. Put it properly. You can also use glue stick. Look at here. Now our cat is ready. Beautiful ना? मजा आई? So आपको ऐसे कैट घर पे बनाना है, मम्मा की हेल्प लेके और फोटो क्लिक करके टीचर को भेजना है. ओके, बाय बाय, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, बाय बाय.